OAG Major Projects is the company that anybody would really look to for a high-profile, prestigious project that needs security based on its proven track history.
We focus on the projects which are of certain value and scale. I think where we excel at really is our ability to work with the early stage design team and come up with ways of achieving their design intent, and then working with commercial teams on budgets and bring a lot of upfront input into projects at early stages, which helps drive out risk for the client.
We run with approximately 20 or so designers, 3 structural engineers in-house, which is quite unique for a business of our size. And that allows us to really take a project, assign a design manager to the project who will follow that through start to finish, and then they tap into the rest of the teams.
OAG is really important for us about the quality of our products and the materials that we use. We have a very reliable supply chain that we use regularly, so we have partnerships and key suppliers that we use for that, so we know that we're getting really good quality products.
As part of our process at OAG, we like to go through an extensive sampling and mock-up period, because we want to make sure that expectations are correct before we start to install anything on site.
2 main things we do to de-risk our projects for our clients is we've got an extensive pre-qualification process for our entire supply chain. We do financial stability, previous project history reviews, and an ongoing quality assessment on them. Then post-award, all our projects use an extensive sampling, testing and on-site documentation system which we upload and can be checked. Gives our clients the ability to check that documentation at any point within the project lifecycle.
We can give early stage consultation to architects' design teams, to the commercial team, the PQSs, and help with cost plans. And with architects we come up with specification proposals, bring products to the table and look at the overall picture, how we might achieve their design intent.
Once we're involved in a project early, we've got that desire to be on that journey with that client to deliver it. And that's why I think that sort of early engagement, PCSAs, whether it's developing a new product, a new mock-up, testing, or all these things go into actually delivering something that is what is required at the end.
Customers really look for how we can support them, especially within London. There's a lot of constraints with methodology and logistics, especially where you've got red bus routes and like some of the rail areas. And some of our experience on previous refurbishment schemes lend itself well that we can help them navigate some of that.
Over many years now, we've built really strong relationships with key contractors. This brings an awful lot of value to the client and has resulted in an awful lot of repeat business.
What we bring to the table is, again, our core strength, which is design and engineering. And we will strive to find a solution that matches really the quality and the look and feel that they want. We bring highly engineered solutions to the table, which are prevalent on modern prestige buildings.